Hey, this is Russian dance from the ballet The Nutcracker, and we're going to start with the left hand, mainly because the left hand is just a little bit easier. You'll notice that measures 1 through 4 are exactly the same as measures 9 through 12. So once you've learned the measures 1 through 4, you already know measures 9 through 12. Also, measures 5, 6, 7, and 8 are pretty close to 13, 14, and 15. The only difference is that very last measure, the very end. So if you've learned measures 1 through 8, you've pretty much learned the whole piece. There's a couple of hand shifts here, and I'll point those out. It's the left hand. It's going to be your C, okay? Pinky on bass C. So we got that accented staccato. So we're going to play that nice and staccato and loud. It's like boom. Another good thing to do is actually watch the Russian dance in the Nutcracker. It kind of gives you a feel on how to play this. So we got that 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the measure 5, we have a hand shift where thumb goes on middle C. What's nice is measures 3 and 4 left hand, you get 7 beats of rest to get your hand to that thumb on middle C position. Okay. Then we have second finger on B. B, A, G, B, C, A, B, A, B. Okay. That's the left hand. Just a heads up, when you get to the end of measure 8, you're going to go bounce down to your pinky on bass C. So let's go ahead and do the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the right hand. The right hand has some interesting things that you're going to do with your fingers. We'll take it nice and slow. Pinky is on treble C. Thumb is on F. We have an accented staccato for our first. We'll do a nice C, C, B, C, C. And you'll notice that there is a slur to a staccato. Okay, so we have that nice slur, staccato, staccato. Okay, and we're going to go to A, B, F, A, G, and we have that bounce staccato accent staccato on G. Bounce off of that and replace your second finger with your third finger. So second finger, G, F sharp, G, G. Thumb is already in position for that E. E, cross over your second finger to D. Thumb under to C. And then E. Okay. Then we're at measure 5. It's going to be D, G, C, G. Leave your hand there. We're just going to extend our thumb to B. B, G. Thumb over and return. G, D, G, B, G, C, G, B, C, D. You'll notice in measure 5 right hand, 6, 7, you're constantly going back to that G. So the only things that are moving are your other fingers. So the G remains constant. So you have G, 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 G. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do the counting for this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay. So don't worry too much about the dynamics because you're just learning the notes. But try if you can, just kind of slowly add them in. And what makes this song particularly stand out is that nice soft crescendo, piano to crescendo mezzo forte in that second line, and those um, slurs to staccatos. Okay, so go ahead and learn the right hand and left hand separately, and do that until you feel super comfortable with both, and then we're going to slowly put the hands together. If you don't get two hands together right away this week, it's okay. This is one of the songs we just kind of work our way through. Okay, so this is what it looks like together. Okay, so that is measures 1 through 8.